Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Attio CRM, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you manually add one person into your Attio CRM? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First up, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to manually add just one person into your Attio CRM anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. Even if you're running an online business, sometimes you meet people in person, and you want to be sure to add them into your Attio CRM. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Attio CRM dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Attio CRM, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to manually add one person, here on the left side, you're going to click on people. Once you do that, you're going to see all of your contacts you have in Attio. However, to add another person, up here on the top right, you're going to click on new person. Don't click on import export. This is if you're going to be importing a customer list of multiple people. Okay, once you do that, this box is going to pop up, so you can go ahead and fill out as much information as you would like for this particular contact. So rather than just doing the minimum, I would recommend you add as much information as possible, because in the future, when you're dealing with this person, you may need to reference back on something. And if you didn't write it in here, you might forget about it. So I'm going to go ahead and add one in right now. Okay, once you're done typing in their information, go ahead and click on create record. All right, quick second later, the page refreshes into that contact's details. So you can come back in here and edit it just by clicking on people and then clicking on their name. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to manually add just one contact into your Attio CRM, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.